How to fix Discord high ping. Today guys I have the solution how to fix and solve this video, this problem. Sorry, just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps or applications. Here as you can see, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search now just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on for stop and click OK. And the last things is to go to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like it and subscribing in our channel. See you in another videos.